Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to install Stable Diffusion on Windows. First, open your browser and search for Git Bash Official Download Windows. Enter the official website that appears. Once you're on the website, you'll see two options. Click the Download option. Next, open a new tab and search for GitHub Automatic 1111. Enter the page that appears and click on Stable Diffusion Webui. Scroll down to the Installation and Running section and click on NVIDIA. Then click on the Here link to download SD Webui. Finally, copy the downloaded file to the location where you want to install Stable Diffusion. Right-click the file, select Extract All and extract it. Open the extracted folder, run the update, and then run the software. Let it load and you're done. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more content.